Please hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon for the future notification to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Thank you so much for your love and support. Hello friends, welcome back to Amazing Women's World. In this video I have come up to show you making of this thread work designing embellished with the beads work, which can be done using the normal stitching needle. We need to give the flower marking of 4 petals like this, followed with the curve shapes, giving an extension for this designing on both the sides. Actually this was the border design which we can try it on our blouse necklines, also on the sleeves, following the simple instructions. So the flower will be followed with the curve shape. Wherever you want to have this design, there we have to give the markings like this. Basic pattern would look like this, and for the designing here I'd be using pink color anchor thread of 6 strands for the filling of this flower in these petals, and I'd be starting exactly in the center, followed with the satin stitch. Once an half portion of filling is done, then we have to do the same towards another side also, so that the complete petal will be filled using the satin stitch. Threadwork designings are latest trending patterns, and these could be done using the normal basic embroidering stitches which I am showing here. You don't require any practice for this. Watching this video carefully, you could design it on your old blouses also if you want, you can try on any types of garments designing. So this is how all the petals has to be filled using the satin stitch. Further extending this design with the sequins and the beads work, for that I'd be joining both at a time in the center like this. It's the circle we are creating here. So to create the circle here, I'd be joining nearly 8 to 9 sequins along with the beads. The gold sequence is of medium size and the golden beads are 2 mm size bead. The materials which I have used for this designing is easily available in the fancy stores, tailoring material shops. Also the links provided in the description box. If you want, you can check it. And once the sequence and the beads work is done, this is how it looks. And exactly in the center I'd be applying the glue to stick silver color circle kundan of very small size. And now extending this design, giving the border designing, here I'd be using chain bow lace of gold color. So for that I had already measured, and now I'll be applying the glue to stick this chain bow lace to give the bordering on this flower. And this is completely optional to give much more royal look. You can also try with the pearl lace or the stone lace. This you can directly place the chain bow lace and give the stitch, but to make our work easy to do, I'd be applying the glue lines on these curves also, and sticking the chain bow lace on these. Once this is dried, we can easily give the stitches which will make our work easy to do. So on both the sides, now I'll be applying the glue on these curves, also sticking the chain bow lace. Now randomly I'll be applying the glue dots to stick the silver circular kundan on these glue dots. These are very simple designs which you can try at home easily on already stitched blouses. Also you can try this on your plain sarees like the designer booties, or else for any types of garments designing. If you know how to do this pattern, we can easily try. Putting your less efforts and saving you lots of money, we can try easily, isn't it? But if you have any doubts or suggestions, you can write to me in the comment section so that I can address your queries. And now I'd be giving an invisible stitches on it so that it will stay for long run, and this has to be dry. The completed pattern would look like this. It's looking so amazing. I hope sharing of this idea is useful to you all. If you really enjoyed watching this video, please hit the like icon to support my efforts. Also do share this video in your community or circles, may be useful to others. Thank you so much for watching friends. Meet you all with another interesting video. subscribe to Amazing Men's World channel. Stay tuned to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Please do also hit the bell icon